Welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today I'm reviewing the Bosch POF Ace router. If you want to get a professional router, this is not it. However, this is a really good starting point if you're just getting into woodworking. So stick around till the end to find out all about its features. Let's dive into it. It's a plunge router with a maximum cutting depth of 55 millimeters, and it is 1400 watts, hence the name POF 1400. There's a POF 1200 as well, but that's only 1200 watts. For you guys wondering why some things from Bosch are green and some are blue, the green is more of a home DIY grade products, and the blue are professional products. The weight of this router is 3.5 kilos, so not too bad. The 1400 watt engine along with Bosch's constant electronic feature makes this router maintain its RPM really good even when cutting through harder wood. And the RPM of the router differs between 11,000 and 28,000, which is really good. In comparison, the GOF, that's the blue Bosch, only goes up to 25,000. And you can set the RPM with this little red knob. It has this transparent chip guard which you can fold up and down for easy access to the bit. When the motor is running, there's a little light lit under here, which is really nice. Although it would have been nice to have it light up with some kind of button as well, because it only lights up when I turn the router on. And it would be nice to position the router with the guide of a light before I start it. But that's easily solved. Just start the engine and there's a light and you can position it and then start the engine again. To start the router, there's no on or off switch. It's just this button here, which is the safety button, and then there's the switch here on the grip, which is really nice because you don't have to let go of the router to start it somewhere else. There's a depth step stop thing here, which you can twist around. And there's a sliding scale stop rod right here as well. And also there's this fine adjustment knob on top. So this router has a plunge lock lever which is self-tightening, which is really nice because you turn this down and you can plunge it and you can let it go and it locks into place. You can tighten the plunge lock lever even more if you want to, but I don't think that's necessary. It seems like it's locking really nice. And that's also nice because you still don't have to let go of the handles. There's a flat edge on the back of the router, which means you can run it against a straight edge. All the scales on the router are both imperial and metric, which is also really nice. With the POF 1400, which I have, you get this box as well. And with the POF 1200, I don't think you get the box. Oh, I just want to say, I am in no way sponsored by Bosch. They have not given me anything to do this review. You also get this fence or parallel guide in the box, and it slides into these tracks right here on either side, and you twist these little knobs to tighten it in place. Now let me show you what it looks like when I'm using it. So this is the first router I ever bought, so I don't have a lot to compare it to, but I really like it so far. It was like $150, and I'll leave a link down in the description. So all in all, I think this is an affordable yet effective router for a good price. And also it's really easy to use, which is really good when you're new into woodworking. So this was my first product review. I haven't done any product reviews on this channel before. If you liked it, please hit the like button down below, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.